Join me as I put the Utis Rising Refrigerator ARB 10801352 to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype as the ultimate portable fridge. The Utis Rising Refrigerator ARB 10801352 is making waves in the outdoor community, and today I'm excited to share my thoughts on this game-changing portable fridge solution. Whether you're an avid camper, a beach lover, or a road tripper, having a reliable and convenient way to keep your food and drinks fresh is essential, and that's exactly what this fridge promises to deliver. Traditional coolers have been the go-to option for many of us, but let's face it, they have their limitations. For one, they're often bulky and heavy, making them a hassle to transport. Secondly, their cooling capacity is usually limited, which means you're constantly worrying about your food spoiling. And then there's the inconvenience of having to constantly add ice, which can be a real pain, especially during long trips. Another issue with traditional coolers is that they're not designed with convenience in mind. You often have to dig through a messy pile of ice and food just to find what you're looking for, which can be frustrating when you're in the middle of an activity. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of all that disposable ice and the energy wasted on keeping your cooler cold. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to keep your food and drinks fresh and cold without the hassles of traditional coolers. That's where the Utis Rising Refrigerator ARB 10801352 comes in. So, what makes this fridge so special? For starters, it's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you on any adventure. It uses advanced cooling technology to keep your food and drinks at the perfect temperature, and it's energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about draining your car's battery. Compared to other portable fridges on the market, the ARB 10801352 stands out for its impressive cooling capacity and ability to operate in extreme temperatures. Whether you're camping in the desert or tailgating at a football game, this fridge can handle it. Plus, its innovative design makes it easy to organize your food and drinks, with multiple compartments and shelves to keep everything tidy. But what really sets the ARB 10801352 apart is its ability to operate in extreme conditions. I've put it to the test in some of the hottest and coldest temperatures, and it's performed flawlessly every time. Whether you're dealing with sweltering heat or freezing cold, this fridge can keep your food and drinks at the perfect temperature. One of the most impressive features of the ARB 10801352 is its ability to maintain a consistent temperature, even when the outside temperature is extreme. This means you can trust that your food and drinks will stay fresh and cold, no matter what the conditions are like outside. The Utis Rising Refrigerator ARB 10801352 is truly a game changer for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Its combination of advanced cooling technology, energy efficiency, and portability make it the ultimate portable fridge solution. Whether you're a camper, a beach lover, or a road tripper, this fridge is a must-have for anyone who wants to enjoy their outdoor adventures without worrying about their food and drinks. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've had any experiences with portable fridges, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and outdoor gear content, and check out my other videos for more in-depth looks at the latest and greatest outdoor gear. See you in the next video.